Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start with a square sheet of paper and a clean, flat workspace. Use a 15 cm square paper or a 6-inch square sheet. Choose lightweight origami paper, so folds are crisp and thin. You will also need a bone folder or a fingernail for creases. Work in good light and keep a small bowl of water nearby. This tutorial shows valley folds, mountain folds, and petal folds step by step. Take your time and make each crease precise for a neat hummingbird. Fold the paper diagonally in both directions to make 2 intersecting creases. Collapse the square into a preliminary base by bringing corners together carefully. Form a bird base by folding the preliminary flaps into the center twice. Narrow the body by inside, reversing the sides toward the center line. Create a long pointed tail by folding one narrow flap lengthwise in half. Raise the wings with gentle mountain folds, leaving a slender neck and head. Keep all creases sharp and aligned for accurate final shaping of the bird. Sculpt the head by making a small reverse fold at the narrow tip. Adjust the beak with a tiny outside reverse fold about 3-5 mm long. Angle the tail slightly upward to mimic a hovering hummingbird posture. Open and shape the wings by curling edges with a fingertip or bone folder. For color contrast, use 2-sided paper or add a tiny dab of gouache. Finish by weighing the body with a 0.5 gram paper dot for balance. Display your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.